Hey everyone, let's see if we can finish this video before the phone dies. So last night I'm watching WVPM's live video, which was West Virginia Prepared Mind, and a lot of the subject was about the coronavirus and how to protect yourself, and that if this thing gets really out of hand and you're not prepared, or if we have to start staying home from work and missing work and shelves don't get stocked, you need to prepare. You need to have some food to feed your family, and you don't have to go all out and get exotic things. Just go get some peanut butter. It may be boring, but it's going to keep you alive. She also recommended those Nor rice sides that are only $1. So I do love my peanut butter, and I have some in storage. But that made me think, I love my Jif. We're not doing sugar so much anymore. And to last longer, I think I'd get some peanut butter powder. So today's video of what I prepped today is about the peanut butter powder research that I've done. So you know that my go-tos are always Walmart online, Augason online, Sam's Club online, and recently I've added Hoosier Farm just to check their prices. So I'm going to get to what I'm going to tell you at Sam's Club, but I checked out this PB Fit, and this is Amazon price. PB Fit 30 ounce, which if it was 2 more ounces, it would be 32 ounces, 2 pounds, is $12.48. And if you do subscribe and save, they're only giving you 5% off. That's not a whole bunch, but it's $11.86. So let's call that $12. And then let's take that real quick over to Sam's Club, who for the same exact item is only $10. So you're not a Sam's Club member. Okay, let's forget about Sam's Club and get them out of there. And go to Walmart. Walmart has the PB powder for $9.98 for one of them. And it's the 24-ounce powder. However, if you get a 2-pack, you're going to get it for $15.84, which is 33 cents an ounce, which is a better price than the 42 cents an ounce at Amazon. Not that much difference, especially if you apply this coupon and get the subscribe and save. So it's pretty much a tie in getting this PB Fit powder at Walmart or Amazon. It's all about what you're going to prefer. If you don't have a Prime membership and aren't going to get free shipping, then, oh, what happened here? I hate when that happens. It's all the time. So if you're not an Amazon Prime member and you're not going to get free shipping, then go ahead and get it shipped to the store at Walmart, or spend $35 and get it shipped free to your home. Now, in regards to this PB Fit powder, it does have added sugar. So if that's okay with you, then you're fine. It is not okay for me to get the added sugar. I love my Jif. I really do. But seriously, we are more like Smucker's peanut butter people. I would buy the sugar items for my grandson because that's just what he's used to, the Jif peanut butter. And we have the unpowdered version of that. But for me, I'm more about getting not only a cheaper price, but a more pure product. If I want sweetener added to my peanuts, I'm just going to go ahead and add my erythritol because that's what I choose to use. So I'm going to go over here to the Walmart brand of their peanut butter powder. Now, their peanut butter powder has sugar added as well, but for 30 ounces, it's 33 cents an ounce, the same price as the PB Fit powder, and it's $9.98. So if my only alternative were Walmart, I would go ahead and get one of those two. But also at Walmart, now if you want the totally sugar-free item, then they have this Hoosier Hill Farm peanut butter powder in a 2-pound plastic jar for $18, which is almost twice as much as you would pay for the version with sugar. So it depends on how serious you are about not having sugar. If it's a SHTF scenario, you may not be that caring about that. But so it's great that Walmart has this Hoosier Hill Farm 2 pounds for $18. But let's go ahead and check Hoosier Hill Farm's website on its own. They have a 2-pound for $17, so it's $1 cheaper. Is that a big deal? Well, it is if you want to stock up. However, don't forget, Hoosier Hill Farm charges $8 for shipping, unless you spend $100. So if you've got a lot of stuff to buy, yeah, go ahead. Shop for that at Hoosier Hill Farms, but don't forget to check those prices at Hoosier Hill Farms against the prices at Amazon and Walmart, even for their brand. I've run into things that are cheaper, even their brand, than they are on Hoosier Hill Farms website. So for me, I'm not gonna spend $100 on peanut butter powder, so I'm not ready to buy more milk or erythritol from them. So Hoosier Hill Farms is out today. So what I'm going to do is go back over to my research from Amazon. Now, both Amazon and Walmart are carrying this Augason Farms peanut butter powder for $12.38. That is a really good price. I checked Sam's Club. It's crazy. Sam's Club has 3 cans of this powder for $40. So it's already $3 cheaper to get it on Amazon than it is at Sam's Club. And if you wanted to come over here and get that on Sam's Club, it's going to be the exact same price, $12.38. However, be aware that the that the Augason Farms does have added sugar. And there it is right there. Let's see, ingredients, peanuts, sugar, and non-iodized salt. Non-iodized salt, that's great. So that's not bad. I think overall, if you don't mind added sugar, get this Augason Farms peanut butter powder that is the same price whether you get it from Amazon or Walmart. Keep in mind, though, that the last time I did a video on Augason Farms items, it was the butter powder from Amazon as well as Walmart was only $17 for a number 10 can. Within a week, I don't know if everybody ordered it or if they saw my video, the price jumped from $17 to $27 and $28. So when I put this video out there, you can't expect the price to be the same in a couple of weeks. So after you see the video, if you want the item, please go ahead and order it from one of the 2 places. So back to what we have in my cart. So right here, I have in my cart to look at because I wanted to show you this Hoosier Hill Farms peanut butter powder that we already saw on the Hoosier Hill website for $16, at Walmart for $17, and Amazon has it for $18.99. So I'm not going to get it there, but I wanted to show you this. $18.99 for this. Look here, plus $5.59 for shipping. Well, you know what? Guess who's not getting the Hoosier Hill Farms peanut butter powder on Amazon? Okay, not at all, you say? Well, no, that's not what I mean to say, because if you come down here to this dark roast peanut butter powder by Hoosier Hill Farms, which is a 2-pound jar, container, it's $17.99, and looky there, it ships Prime totally free. But hey, they've only got 15 left in stock, so I will be ordering probably 2 of those. So by the time I'm done, you guys can have the other 13, if they're left at all. Other things I want to show you down here is this is pretty much, this $18, which is about $9 a pound, is pretty much the going rate for peanut butter powder that has no sugar added. We've got this NorCal organic peanut butter powder for 2 pounds for $19. Now you can save 5% on a sub and save, and that's not 15%. It doesn't matter how many items you're adding, the max you're going to save is 5%. Same with this PB2 Pure with no added sugar. It's going to be $9.50, $9.25, $9.75, something. And the max you're going to save on that is 5%. And there's the Hoosier Hill Farms that had the added shipping that we're not even going to get. We're going to delete that. And then I like this one had the Naked PB premium powdered peanut butter from U.S. Farms, bulk only. Roasted peanuts, vegan, no additives, preservatives free, no salt, no sugar. $18.99, so $9.50 a pound. That's good. And looky here, it's from U.S. Farms, which got me to thinking about my aversion buying food from China and Mexico. Let's check the other ones and see if they are from the United States. So we go over to this PB Pure, and I don't see where it says anything about being only from the United States. They may be only from the United States, but hey guys, if you are, you should advertise that. So let's go back to the cart and then see if this NorCal is from the United States. And hold on. They have all these extra special things, no added flavors, magnesium, but vegetarian and vegan friendly. But they don't say that the peanuts are from the United States, but they do say that the only ingredient, organic peanuts. You guys got to decide what's more important to you. Organic peanuts from Mexico or United States peanuts. I don't know. Can we get a little of both? Hard to tell. So that is what I'm doing with the peanut butter powder. And just in case I was clear as mud, my Walmart cart will contain a Hoosier Hill Farm peanut butter powder for $18. It has no added sugar. I'm going to try the Great Value powdered peanut butter 30 ounce for $10 that has added sugar. And I'm going to get the Augason Farms peanut butter powder 2-pound number 10 can for $12.38 from Walmart that also has added sugar. So then I'm going to come over to my Amazon cart, which I don't need this Augason Farms peanut butter powder from Amazon because it's the same price at Walmart. And then, as you recall, they stick those nasty labels on everything that make it hard to see. I am going to try this dark roast peanut butter powder by Hoosier Hill Farms, 2-pound for $18 from Amazon because it has no added shipping. It ships Prime. I'm not going to try the NorCal or the PB Pure right now, or actually the Naked. I'm going to do I'm not going to throw them out of my cart. I'm just going to put in a save for later on those. And so when these peanut butter powders come in, and what I'll be getting is the dark roast Hoosier Hill Farms from Amazon, and then from Walmart I'll be getting the Great Value, the Augason Farms, and the regular Hoosier Hill Farms brand. I may go ahead and open them all and do a taste test with them. If I do a taste test, I may or may not, open that Augason Hill Farms because it's in a number 10 can, guys. I don't really want to open that. But so that's what I'm going to do is go ahead and spend $20, $40, $50, $60 on powdered peanut butter. And that'll be my next major addition to my storage. And so that's what I'm prepping today. That's how I did my research. And I can understand if you can't get all of those. And if you can only get one, well, and you don't mind the added sugar, then by all means, I would suggest, if money is the most important thing and you're going to store it in mylar, that you get the great value powdered peanut butter, 30 ounces for $10. But if you don't want to split it up into mylar, and you don't want to bother adding oxygen absorbers, which do add cost, by the way, then go ahead and get that number 10 can for $12.38 and throw it on your shelf, and don't worry about it at all. If you don't want added sugar, then I'm pretty sure you're going to have to go with one of those ones that Hoosier Farm from Walmart if you want the plain. If you like the dark, it's pretty much the same price on Amazon, which if you have Prime, you get free shipping. And then these other three brands are kind of okay as well, that no sugar added. The NorCal, the PB2, and the Naked PB are all pretty much the same price. And if you add them to your subscribe and save, you'll save a whopping 5%. But then, of course, you have to wait till your next shipping date. But then you can always cancel it after that if you're in no hurry. So that's it. That's what I prepped today. That's how I did my research. Sorry it took so long to explain all that. And you have a great day. Let me know if this helped you, or if I spoke too fast. I tried to make this video go very quickly. And let me know in the comments what you're prepping today. And above all, please, guys, be careful out there and be blessed.